Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik cube very quickly and very easy. So as you can see, all the colors are not on the right way, so we have to look out how we are going to do it. I think that we have to change this one. The red one is over here. We're going to put this red over here, so it's like that, and then I think that we should put which one? It's the red one, I think. Yes, the blue one. Yes, and we can, I think it's the red one now, and now it's solved. Okay, so just do it very quickly. So just as you can see, solved again. So as you can see, you can do it very easy. It's very easy to solve it. If you want really to remove it very quickly like that, just you can put some cream over here, and I'm going to I did put a video about a Rubik trick how to remove it. So just remove one cube and you can put some cream to let it to be easily to turn it very easy like that. So this is everything. As you can see, all the colors are, you can do it like that, very easy. So just like that, can think just then. Okay, it has been solved. So thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.